What is running loss in PyTorch and how is it calculated? I had a look at this tutorial in the PyTorch docs for understanding transfer learning. There was one line that I failed to understand. After the loss is calculated using loss equals criterion outputs, labels, the running loss is calculated using running underscore loss plus equals loss dot item inputs dot size 0, and finally, the epoch loss is calculated using running underscore loss, dataset underscore sizes phase. Isn't loss.item supposed to be for an entire mini batch? Please correct me if I am wrong. I.e., if the batch underscore size is 4, loss.item would give the loss for the entire set of 4 images. If this is true, why is loss.item being multiplied with inputs.size 0 while calculating running underscore loss? Isn't this step like an extra multiplication in this case? Any help would be appreciated. Thanks.
It's because the loss given by cross-entropy or other loss functions is divided by the number of elements, i.e. the reduction parameter is mean by default. Hence, loss.item contains the loss of entire mini batch, but divided by the batch size. That's why loss.item is multiplied with batch size, given by inputs.size 0, while calculating running underscore loss.
If the batch underscore size is 4, loss.item would give the loss for the entire set of 4 images. That depends on how the loss is calculated. Remember, loss is a tensor just like every other tensor. In general, the PyTorch APIs return average loss by default. The losses are averaged across observations for each mini batch. T.item, for a tensor T simply converts it to Python's default float 32. More importantly, if you are new to PyTorch, it might be helpful for you to know that we use T.item to maintain running loss instead of T because PyTorch tensors store history of its values which might overload your GPU very soon.
This is